good news. We're in part 2. In this part, we will introduce 4 diagnostic tools suitable for maintenance shops. Okay, let's check the first one, Foxwell NT644 Elite. It's the most popular scanner in the Foxwell Elite series. If you are interested in the Foxwell Elite series, you can check out our previous video. NT644 Elite also has the most functions. It is very suitable for primary technicians or small maintenance shops. After reading VAN automatically, you can see that it is also a full system scanner, fully troubleshoot the malfunctions of the car. And you can see that it can scan a total of 188 systems. Whether you are a personal car owner or a repairman, it is a great choice. And these are systems that often need to be checked. Okay, now let's take a look at the OBD2 function, which supports all OBD2 modes, including reading and clearing trouble codes, readiness, component test. And some people may be confused about these 3 codes. The reason why the permanent code cannot be cleared is that it cannot be cleared manually. If the problem is solved, the car will automatically clear the code. Then there is live data, which you can observe in the form of numbers and tables, and select multiple data for comparative observation. Okay, checking these 19 special functions, you will know why many technicians like it. As a primary technician, many people don't want to invest thousands of dollars to buy a scanner for the first time. At this point, a professional scanner with no more than $300 is a smarter choice. And many people will ask about its odometer function, which only supports 4 car brands. If you need professional mileage tools, you can check this AM500 on our channel. Also, as a professional scanner, it supports many car models. If you want a car support list for which scanner, you can check it on our website or contact us. Okay, this is the second recommended tool in the mechanics section, the Ancel X7. It's different from the previous scanners, which comes with a large tablet and a Bluetooth box. And this Bluetooth box needs to be connected to the car through OBD cable. Today, we will mainly talk about its functions, so the operation part will be fast forward. You can see that the interface is the same as X6, and click here in the upper left corner to see if all the connections are correct. Then click Diagnosis to view the OBD function. First, it will automatically read the car VIN, and then read the trouble code. You can see that it will directly display the meaning of generic powertrain trouble codes. These manufacturer-specific trouble codes can be queried after connecting to the network, a very useful function. Okay, live data is a function that many people will consult. At this time, you can see the advantages of the tablet, a larger screen, and the data will be easier to observe. And a very important point is that after many tests by engineers, these data are very accurate, so it can help you accurately troubleshoot your car. And of course, you can also combine the data and observe it graphically. Now what you see is all the OBD modes, component tests, O2 sensors test. This time X7 conducted a stable test of many car models, supporting many popular models in Europe, the United States and Asia from 1996 to 2020. In addition to the more stable connection to the car, the engineers have also replaced the chip of the tablet this time, and the use of the tablet will be more stable. Alright, after selecting the appropriate model, you can click here for automatic diagnosis of the whole system. Or you can choose to scan a specific system. Just click Control Unit and you can see that it supports all the systems of the car, including the engine, gearbox, engine, body, chassis, power system, and so on. Okay, with regard to special functions, engineers still choose these 10 special functions that are used very frequently. Click on the function, and you can see which cars it supports. And these are the car models supported by the ML program function. And if you want to know whether these functions support your car, you can comment below or contact us through the Facebook homepage, and there will be technicians 24 hours online for you. And after you receive it, if there is something wrong with the device, you can contact the O2C technician to help you solve the problem remotely. Okay, here is also a different point from X6, it adds a code table. You can see the meaning of all generic powertrain trouble codes. Of course, you can also query the meaning of the code directly. Next, there is a very useful function. X7 has a built-in query function of the car system, where you can see which cars, which systems and which functions it can support. For mechanics, you can check whether it supports the vehicle you need to repair before you use it. If the form shows support, but the operation fails, you can also give us feedback. And as a scanner with so many functions, but its price is very economical, you can buy it directly by clicking on the link at the bottom of the video, and don't forget to use the discount code. Okay, the third one, Ancel FX9000. First of all, you can see the diagnostic function, which can not only automatically read the vehicle information, but also quickly diagnose all the systems of the vehicle. Its professional functions and affordable price make it one of the best choices for small repair shops and mechanics. It can scan all the systems of the vehicle for you, including driver, chassis, body, electrical system. For details, you can take a look at the picture on the right. Okay, the diagnosis is complete. It will automatically generate the detailed diagnosis report. You can print it out or send it to the customer's mailbox. Here, you can see that it allows you to clear the trouble codes through simple operations. Of course, the code can be completely cleared only after the faulty part is repaired. After clearing the trouble codes, it will automatically search for trouble codes again to help you troubleshoot the vehicle accurately. You can also click on these systems to check the data stream. Okay, now let's take a look at the OBD2 function, which supports all OBD2 modes, including reading and clearing trouble codes, readiness, component test, and live data. And live data can help you accurately troubleshoot faults, so combined graphics are very important for accurately finding faulty parts of vehicle. With the scanner's 7-inch screen, the data will be clearer and easier to observe. Okay, here you can see that all its modules are very clear, and you can easily find the functions you need. When you view the main interface, you can find these useful functions, including battery detection, data report, and one-click update. Alright, now let's take a look at the special functions. This scanner is equipped with 15 commonly used special functions, including the EMO programming, as well as ABS bleeding and injector coding. And all operations will be described in detail, so it is very friendly even to beginner. And you can see that all the operations are described very clearly. Select the function, the model, and then follow the prompt. About the car support list, it can be used on most OBD2 protocol cars. It is suitable for 12-volt passenger cars, light cars and pickup trucks. And you can see that it covers over 68 prevailing models from Asia, America and Europe, Russian. And it is also worth mentioning that this device supports 9 languages and is equipped with a 6000 mAh battery with a standby time of up to 8 hours. Now it is the last scanner in the technician section, Think Tool Mini, and it is also the most professional diagnostic tool in today's video. It not only supports the full system diagnostic, 16 special functions, but also supports CCU coding and bidirectional tests. About bidirectional scan tool, it can not only display more data coming from your car's CCU, but you can also use it to send commands to your car in order to test various modules. For example, you can activate and pressurize the fuel pump by merely sending a command from the scanner to the car's computer. So for professional technicians, this function is very important. Okay, then let's take a look at its functions. It is a Bluetooth diagnostic tool, and the Bluetooth adapter is in the lower right corner of the tool. Just push it to take it out. Very intimate design, and then plug it into the OBD2 port. Match the device. Then we can start the diagnosis. Click Diagnostics. You can see that there are a lot of car models here. There are 94 car brands, more than 222 models, covering a wide range of models. Okay, check the OBD2 first, and as a professional scanner, full OBD mode is the most basic function. And I think its interface is also the most comfortable. And all the functions are clearly marked. It is easy to understand it. There are some code readers. Because the screen is too small, the functions will be marked with abbreviations. For some people, it may be hard to understand what the function is. Then here's the live data. Numbers, waveforms are supported. It can choose up to 4 to observe together, using different colors to mark to make it easier to observe. And there is a lot of data here, and you can choose to record it or generate a report. And in OBD mode, it has basically the same function as the previous scanners. Then let's check the diagnostic functions. You can select the car manually, or it can read the VIN automatically. Click here, and you can see that it is a full system scanner. You can choose the appropriate system scan. Of course, we usually choose the full system scan or health report directly. Okay, here is the full system diagnosis, and you can see that the scanning speed is very fast. Now you can see the diagnosis results. Click on the appropriate system, read, clear the trouble code, or view the live data. Of course, you can also select auction test. For the maintenance shop, you need to submit the diagnosis report to your customer. You can click here to generate the diagnosis report, send it to your customer by email, or connect to the printer, print it out directly. And this QR code can be scanned. The report can be viewed online by phone. And click on each code. You can see the question mark in the upper right corner. This is the function to be updated. Directly query the meaning of the code. Here are the 16 reset functions it supports. All the operations are the same. Just follow the instructions. Back to the home page. Click here to select one-click update. This tool is a free update for 1 year. Bidirectional function is a paid function. If you want to know the complete charge list, you can comment or contact us. And if you are interested in this product, you can subscribe to our channel and we will post a detailed video to introduce Think Tool Mini.